Hey guys, my name is Max, and first of all I want to say that I really appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Now before I get right into the review, I want to talk about the 4 amazing bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up this product through the second link down below in the description. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social. This is a product that I have launched together with my partner James Renouf, and that has won the Deal of the Day award on Warrior Plus. And it is basically a done for you social media business in a box. Like, social media is super important. Everybody needs to run social media, but I know that most of the people out there cannot be bothered spending all this time to be active on social media. And this is when Done For You Social comes into play, because we have literally done 98% of the work for you. We give you done for you content, everything done for you, ready to post so that you can crush it online using social media. Bonus number 2 is AI Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with my launch partners Trevor Carr and Fergal Downs. And AI Prodigy allows you to have artificial intelligence run a highly profitable YouTube channel for you. So all the hassle that came with the traditional way of creating YouTube videos is now a story of the past. Now you can really have AI run a YouTube channel for you and make passive commissions. Bonus number 3 is Cash Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Fergal Downs and Trevor Carr. And with this program, we will show you multiple ways of how you can make money online using artificial intelligence. Like, artificial intelligence is changing the game completely. It is the future. You can start making money online with artificial intelligence and build multiple online income streams starting today. Last but not least, with my bonus number 4, I will give you exclusive access to yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Trevor Carr that shows you exactly step by step how you can sell high in-demand services that people want to buy on a daily basis without you having to have any skills yourself. This is amazing. This is how I got started online, and in this program I show you exactly what you need to do in order to be able to replicate my success. These 4 programs together are still selling on a daily basis, and they're everything you need to build multiple online income streams and be financially independent. And we're still selling these products on a daily basis, but if you grab this product through the second link in the description down below, then I will give you all of these 4 products on top for free, and you will get lifetime access. So once again, all you need to do is you need to grab this product through the second link in the description down below, and then all of the 4 award-winning programs will be delivered conveniently inside either your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo, or your ClickBank account. I also want to extend on an exclusive offer. If you want to elevate your online income, I have an exclusive opportunity for you. If you want to make it to $10,000 each and every single month, and you want the help and guidance of 3 super affiliates, then check out the first link down below in the description, because we have a free webinar training for you. So now make sure to like this video, because it helps me a ton with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for more Make Money Online content, and let's get right into this review.